In this guide, we're going over how you can spawn or find the Kraken or Sea Beast here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's some things to understand before we dive into this. Obviously, you cannot manually spawn it in. There's going to be no fixed timer, and the spawns are completely random. Now, in terms of timing, it often does appear within 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes it can take much longer, but if you're trying to find it, you need to look around the Punch Island on C2, usually near the teleport area. Now, the boss has extremely high HP. It's extremely strong. So you're likely going to need a strong build or even a team of completely strong builds. But the ways to increase your chances is just to stay and wait. Just camp near Punch Island, wait for the random spawn to come in. And then if you are, for whatever reason still having issues, just switch servers and try and find an active spawn just by server hopping. And you can also sail with high bounty. Just move around the ocean near C2. Higher bounty increases the chances of sea events like the Kraken or Sea Beast. But just hang around, Punch Island on C2, and eventually you'll spawn in. But that is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.